I'm Jordan, and today I have some amazing tips and tricks to help you master English effortlessly. So welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of English language learning. So let's jump right into it. Tip number 1. Immerse yourself in the language. Surrounding yourself with English is crucial for developing fluency. So, how can you do that? Let me share a few ideas. Read English books. Watch English movies with subtitles. Engage in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. And utilize language learning apps. The key is to expose yourself to English as much as possible. It's a fun and effective way to improve your skills. Tip number 2. Make use of online resources. We live in the digital age, and there are numerous online platforms that offer fantastic English learning resources. For example, our channel with a lot of amazing tips. The internet is a goldmine of resources waiting to be discovered. Tip number 3. Practice speaking English regularly. Speaking is a vital component of language learning, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Join language exchange programs, play video games or conversation clubs, practice pronunciation exercises, and try speaking English with friends or colleagues. Tip number 4. Set achievable goals and stay motivated. Learning a language takes time and effort, so it's essential to stay motivated along the way. Set specific and achievable goals for yourself. Keep a language learning journal, track your progress, and celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with positive reinforcement, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Tip number 5. Listening is fundamental for comprehension. Listen to a wide variety of English content, such as podcasts, audiobooks, and songs. Pay attention to different accents and speeds of speech. Start with materials that are slightly challenging, but still understandable. Gradually, you'll improve your listening skills and adapt to different English accents. Remember to listen twice first and then listen and read the transcript. Tip number 6. Listen to different English accents. This exposure will help you internalize the language and improve your overall fluency. And there you have it, 6 essential tips to enhance your English language skills. Remember, consistent practice and dedication are key to success. So pick one tip at a time and start incorporating it into your daily routine. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future English language videos. Thank you for watching and happy learning.